How to start navigating on Mini 2 with Garmin Explore app. You can start creating your course on Explore app, and the app will automatically synchronize it to your Mini 2. One of the best things is you can do this without using smartphone signal, as long as your Mini 2 stays connected with your phone on Bluetooth. Let's see how to do this. Let's use iOS system as an example. Select plus icon on the top left. Then select Create Course. You can find the place you plan to go by zooming in and out the map. Once you find the place, tap the map to create the start point. Then tap to create the second point. Tap to create the third, and on and on. Once you finish creating and you're satisfied with your course, select Save on top right. Save the course. The course will automatically synchronize to your Mini 2. You can also share the course with friends if necessary. Here is how to do it. Select Export on the top. Then, Share. Select Gmail or a messaging app like WhatsApp to share your course. Now, before starting your trip, switch on your Mini 2. Press the OK button. Scroll down and select Navigate. Then select Courses. Select the course you just created. Select Go. Scroll down and select Yes to start tracking yourself. Now you are good to go and enjoy your trip. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.